Hi, I'm Carmen Breton. I'm owner of the Branch Events. I came to the KR Collective to get the knowledge, the skills, the experience that I can get with Kathy Romero. I've learned about Kathy Romero with the KR Collective actually through skimming, through ideas of how to get coaching, how to get ideas of how to grow my business. I ran into her post, signed up immediately, no questions asked, came to the collective and got the best experience of my life. This is actually my second time around, and I recommend towards everyone. You get the tools, you get the knowledge. With the KR Collective, you're gonna get Kathy's energy, you're gonna get the push, you're gonna get the drive, you're gonna get the sense, the reason as to why you're here and what you're doing for yourself and for your business. She won't see anything else, and she will only push for you.